Hello everyone. So today in this video we are going to solve the lead code today's contest, and it is the first problem that we are going to solve. The problem name is pass the pillow. The problem statement is there are n people standing in a line and line is labeled from 1 to n. The first person in the line is holding a pillow initially. Every second the person holding the pillow passes it to the next person standing in the line, right? So the person is holding the pillow, and every second that is passing the pillow to the next person ahead of him. Once the pillow reaches to the end of line, when the pillow reaches to the nth person, the direction of the pillow changes, its direction gets changed, and people continue passing the pillow in the opposite direction. So when the pillow reaches to the nth person hand, then the people start passing the pillow in the opposite direction, right? Now we can understand it from one of the example. So the example here is once the pillow reaches the nth person, they pass it to the n minus 1th person and then n minus 2th person and so on. We are given here as a input n and time, and we have to return the index of person holding the pillow after time seconds. So we have to give the answer in a way who is that person who is holding the pillow after time seconds, right? So we are given here the two things, n and time. Here n is equal to 4 and time equal to 5, and if we see the its passing structure, so it is simple enough, like in the first second the person 1 will pass it to the second person hand. In the second second the person 2 will pass it to the third person hand, and in the third second the person 3 will pass it to the fourth person hand. In the fourth second the person 4 will pass it to the third person seconds hands. So basically over here, when pillow reaches to the nth person hand, it start passing the pillow into the opposite direction, and when it reaches to the third person hand, so he will pass the pillow to the second person hand, right? So now the pillow is moving in the reverse direction, right? So after 5 seconds the pillow will be a hand of second person hand, and let's suppose the time will be 7. So at that time the pillow will, in the 6th second, second person will pass the pillow to the first person hand, and the cycle will start again the same in the forward direction, right? So if I talk about the total time required to complete one cycle, one forward and one backward, it is 2 into n minus 1 time. So it is basically 2 into n minus 1 time it is requiring to complete one cycle. And let's suppose we are given some time, and I want to check like what is the position of the pillow after let's suppose x amount of time and nth iteration. So that will be very simple enough, like we will take its modulus from modulus with total time, and here there will be two situations. We will check whether we are in the forward moving direction or in the backward moving direction, right? So if our value is greater than or equal to n minus 1, it means we are in reverse moving direction, and in that scenario our answer will be total time minus value plus 1. And if we are in forward moving direction, then our answer will be, let's suppose our value is 1. If our value is 1, then what will be its position, like 1 plus 1, right? So in the forward moving direction our answer will be simply value plus 1, and after doing this calculation we will return that value, right? So I hope you will like this solution, and if you have any doubt please comment in the comment section. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you very much.